Hey you guys, what's going on? I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. I have 10, maybe 15 minutes to practice. So what do you say? You want to join me? Come on to your mat, let's flow. Come on into your downward facing dog. If you want to begin in child's pose, you can begin in child's pose. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Open your mouth, empty out. You can walk out your dog a little bit, maybe move your head. If you haven't checked it out yet, please hop over to my Patreon page. For as little as $5 a month, you can support me in putting out this free content, and you get exclusive Patreon content as well. Take another big inhale. And a big exhale. Once more here, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale lightly, step or jump to the front edge of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up to stand, hands high, heart lifts, reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Hands to your mat, high push-up to low push-up as you exhale, forward and down. You can drop your knees or come all the way down. Inhaling, upward facing dog, maybe a cobra or a low cobra. Exhale, back to your downward dog or your child's pose. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. And I think I'm just going to move through some sun salutations today. Loosen everything up. Take another big inhale. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand, hands high, heart lifts, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, hands to your mat, high push-up to low push-up, exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, back to your downward dog. Here in your downward dog, set your gaze or close your eyes, and I like to remind myself, especially when I don't have a lot of time to practice, to take my time. So yeah, even though we don't have a lot of time, let's take this time and enjoy this breath. A big inhale, then a big exhale. Take another deep breath in, exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up, reach up. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift, inhale. High push up to low push up as you exhale. You can step or jump back. Upward dog, big breath in. Lead with your heart. Downward dog, breath out. Take a breath in. Then a breath out. Breathe in. And breathe out. A big inhale, fill up. Exhale lightly, step or jump forward. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand. From the ground, lift up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, Pakasana, crow pose. Let's start in a crow pose. If you want to come into a squat, you can come into a squat. If you're setting up your crow, hands about shoulder width distance, bend your elbows, squeeze them back, knees above elbows, maybe way up into your armpits. You can keep your feet on your ground. You can lift one foot or both feet, and you can really start to lift up, core engaged, big inhale, chaturanga. Step or jump back. Upward dog, inhale, downward dog, exhale. Take a deep breath in. Open your mouth, empty out. Take another big inhale, exhale, walk or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up to stand. Reach up, lift up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, chaturanga, low push-up, step or jump back. Upward dog, take a deep breath in, downward dog, breath out. Right foot steps forward, warrior one. Step up and rise up. 2 feet on your mat here, deep bend in your front knee. Really connect through both feet. Soften your shoulders, hands high or at your heart. Lift up and go back. Little bit of a back bend.
Take a big inhale, exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Upward dog. Inhale, downward dog, exhale. Left foot steps forward, warrior one. Come on up. Again, 2 feet on your mat, which sounds silly, but you don't have to let your thinking mind get away from you. Bring it back. Bring yourself back. Be in the flow. Even when we only have a little bit of time to practice, be in the flow. Be in this breath, this moment of this flow of your day. Enjoy yourself here. Sink into your front knee. Engage your back leg. Lift up and go back. Shoulders soft, heart high. Take a big inhale. Exhale. Hands come to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Upward dog. Inhale. Downward dog. Exhale. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Another big inhale here. Exhale. Step or jump to the front. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale. Fold. Utkatasana, chair pose. Sit down, come on up. Fold forward. Exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale. High push-up to low push-up. Exhale. Upward dog. Take a breath in. Downward dog. Breath out. Right foot steps, warrior one. Back foot flat, rise up. Exhale. Hands come to your mat. Chaturanga, low push-up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot steps, warrior one. Rise up. Exhale. Hands come back down. Chaturanga, low push-up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Or your child's pose. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. This is your time. This is your practice. How can you best use this time for yourself so you can feel better? And then when you get off your mat, you're better able to connect with others and help others, better able to enjoy yourself. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, walk or jump forward. Halfway lift. Inhale, exhale, fold. Utkatasana, sit down, come up. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High push-up to low push-up, exhale. Upward dog, take a breath in. Downward dog, breath out. Right foot steps, warrior one. Rise up, exhale. Hands to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Left foot steps, warrior one. Rise up, exhale. Hands come back down. High push-up to low. Upward dog, breathe in. Downward dog, breathe out. Right foot again, warrior one. Rise up, add in your warrior two. Little more space between your feet, lengthen through your arms. Palms to the sky, reverse your warrior. Reach up and go back. Take a big inhale. Exhale, hands come to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot, warrior one. Rise up, open out. Warrior two. Adjust your feet, lengthen through your arms, long spine, palms to the sky, left hand high, reverse your warrior. Really dip into your front knee, lift up, go back, big inhale, exhale, hands come back down. High push up to low push up. Upward dog, inhale, downward dog, exhale. Here, take a big breath in through your nose. Open your mouth, empty out. Take a breath in and a breath out. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Step or jump forward. I think we can sneak one more sun salutation in. Halfway lift. Exhale. Fold. Utkatasana. Sit low. Rise up. Fold forward. Exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale. High push up to low push up. Exhale. Upward dog. Take a breath in. Downward dog. Breath out. Right foot steps, warrior one. Rise up, open out, warrior two. Right hand high, reverse your warrior. Exhale, hands to your mat. High push up to low push up. Upward dog, inhale, downward dog, exhale. Left foot steps, warrior one. Come on up, open out to your warrior two. Left hand high, reverse. Exhale, hands come back down. High push up to low push up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Now bring your feet together, a little bit forward, right leg to the sky. Bend your right knee for your down dog hip opener. And then come on into your half pigeon. Right knee to your right thumb. Lengthen through your left leg, little bit of a lift in your chest, in your heart, and then lengthen and fold forward. Just a couple of breaths here in your half pigeon. Really nice to connect to the balance of the movement and the stillness. And notice if, especially if you chose this practice because you don't have a lot of time, notice if we get to this point and we slow way down and you start to get antsy, a little fidgety. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Once more, breathe in. And breathe out. Set your hands under your shoulders. And make your way back to your downward facing dog. Pause. Feel your foundation. Feet together and forward. Left leg to the sky. Bend your left knee. Now half pigeon. And you can set up the variation on your back. You can add in a prop, a block under your hip or your chest or your forehead. Evening out your hips, lift your heart, a big breath in. And then lengthen and fold. I believe, we are inclined to movement. I know I'm inclined to movement. That's why I like this type of practice so much. I like a power flow. I like to move and breathe and really move things around, loosen things up. But then even just a few breaths to slow down, to settle down. To put equal effort into following this breath and allowing ourselves to be here. Take a big breath in. And a long exhale. And then gently come on up. Sweep your back leg forward. Come onto your back. Draw your knees into your chest. Give them a squeeze. You can add in a twist here. If you want to add in a back bend or another variation, another pose, you can. And then simply set up for your Shavasana. Short Shavasana. But again, this balance of slowing down, giving ourselves just a few moments to integrate everything that we've just done. So you can take this practice, take the elements of this practice with us when we get off our mat. Take a big inhale. Open your mouth, empty out. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing some movement back to your body. When you're ready, drawing your knees to your chest and slowly making your way to seated. Hands to your heart, set your gaze, lower your gaze or close your eyes. One more opportunity to pause, to connect. Feel where you are before you move on to the next thing in your day. Really feel this part of your day, what you have done. Together, let's take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Drawing your thumbs to your forehead, to your third eye center. Together we say, Namaste. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining me for this practice. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, head over to my Patreon page. It is the same as my YouTube channel, The Bent Yogi. There, for as little as $5 a month, you can sign up, become a patron. You help support these free offerings, but you also get offerings that are exclusive to my patrons. Hit the bell so that you're notified when new videos come out. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. I'll see you on your mat.